Hello world. My name is Bo Chen. I'm a first year graduate student. My major is statistics. Today I'll be presenting our final project. So our final project is made by three people, as you can see here. It's by me and Grace and Chen Hua. Both of them are from the School of Management. So the name of our project is EO Literature Finder. So basically, this is a program, a website that we wrote so that a selected amount of people will be able to store their files and then share their files among their own circle. So basically, first you will need to register for an account. Since I already registered an account, so I will just ignore this part. I'll just go ahead and log in. Okay. And here you will see that you have public file and private file. How does this come from? It's basically when you save your own articles. So for here we'll do ADC, and then you choose your publish time, and then we will need to put a link here, and then you will put a tag by which you want other people to find your paper. And you can either post this article to private or public, because you don't want everyone to see all of your things, and you can choose your privacy setting by yourselves. And then go back to the home page. So you can see right now we as the user, I have posted two articles. These are mine. So if I don't want to publicize them, if I don't want to make them public anymore, I can easily go private so that other people will not be able to search it, and I can go public again, so it will be public again. And also, if you don't want to have this information anymore, you can just delete it. And as you can see, we have another section, which is my favorite files. This is where you can store other people's files. You can go to the search, and then you can search either by title of the articles or by tag of the articles. Most of the people you can here is where you can restrict the amount of the viewer of your articles. For example, if you're from the biology department, you can search just by biology. You will be able to see these are the paper made public by students in biology department. And you can save them by clicking on adding to favorite, and you can see that the files appeared here. And of course, if you don't like them, if you don't want them to in your database anymore, you can easily delete them. So yeah, that's our project. Thank you very much.